Introducing the all-new Gamma 1.6 Turbo GDI, an engine with bold performance and outstanding efficiency. The Gamma Turbo GDI engine and its turbocharger system deliver both high performance and a fun-to-drive experience. The turbocharger in the Gamma Turbo GDI engine uses a twin-scroll type turbine housing. This maximizes the exhaust gas energy, improving the efficiency of the turbo and its benefits to the engine performance. The hot compressed air from the turbocharger is cooled by an efficient charge air cooler. The cooled charged air is more dense than warm air and therefore helps improve the engine's performance and efficiency. Dual CVVT controls both on-intake and exhaust camshafts continuously adjust over the engine's operating range. This optimizes valve timing through the engine at different conditions, thereby improving engine performance and fuel economy while reducing its emissions levels. By injecting fuel directly into the combustion chamber, the GDI system provides a more precise amount of cool fuel charge into the combustion chamber, enhancing performance with the added benefit of improved fuel efficiency. Extensive computer-based analysis of the intake, exhaust system, and combustion chamber has enabled us to achieve high engine performance with fuel economy benefits on the new Gamma Turbo GDI engine. The Gamma 1.6-liter displacement engine with its turbocharged boosting system allows for a downsized engine, enabling fuel efficiency while achieving excellent performance. The advanced engine control technology on the Gamma Turbo GDI engine was developed under extreme test environments, assuring superior drivability under normal driving conditions. The true appeal of our new Gamma Turbo GDI engine. Its bold and spirited performance, which will provide best driving for customers. Powerful performance. The TAL 5.0-liter GDI V8 engine, giving excellent performance with power and efficiency. Gasoline direction injection system provides optimal combustion with in-cylinder high-pressure spray injection. It realizes better power, fuel efficiency, and lower emissions. At low engine speeds, one high-pressure pump is used for improved NVH and efficiency. As engine speed increases, two high-pressure pumps are engaged to provide high fuel pressure to enhance engine smoothness. The accurate split injection ensures combustion stability and rapid catalyst activation to significantly decrease emissions. A roller timing chain improves durability while reducing friction to improve fuel economy. The dual continuously variable valve timing system controls the timing of each camshaft independently via hydraulics. The application of CVVT improves fuel efficiency, lowers emissions, and increases performance at all engine speeds. The tuned air induction system has been optimized using computer simulation to improve air charging efficiency for performance. In addition to GDI, the TAO 5.0-liter engine uses other innovative technologies to increase combustion efficiency and performance, 12% when compared to the previous MPI engine. The application of a bed plate to improve block structure and a camshaft carrier to improve valve train stability also improve NVH and durability. The thin wall structure of the catalyst helps to reduce its volume, mass, and cost. A serpentine belt drives the compact auxiliaries layout with reduced belt tension and friction while improving NVH. The all-new 8-speed automatic transmission coupled to the TAO 5.0-liter GDI engine will help to further improve fuel efficiency 6% compared to the previous 6-speed transmission. The TAO 5.0-liter GDI engine is produced for world-class customers who expect power and efficiency with value. Hyundai Motor continues to move forward with innovation and evolution for future engine technologies.